What if your home could tell a story, not just about your style, but about your journey, your memories, and the pieces that shape you? In this episode of Human Made Homes, we step into Marilou's Parisian apartment, an ever-evolving space filled with vintage treasures, secondhand gems, and family heirlooms that weave together her past, present, and future. Marilou, a digital strategic consultant in fashion and beauty, has been curating her home for 3 years now. She's a self-proclaimed homebody, but loves to host her friends. And then there's Paco, her 6-year-old French bulldog, who's also a big part of this home. Her design journey is one of transition. With time, Marilou gradually shifted towards more unique finds, secondhand pieces, and decor that carries meaning. But here's the thing. She didn't erase her past. Instead of starting over, she blended old and new, crafting a home that tells her story. It's a reminder that home decor isn't about rigid rules. Many of us aspire to source sustainably, buy secondhand, and choose artisanal pieces with intention. But does that mean we should discard everything we've owned before? Marilou's approach offers a thoughtful perspective. Your home can grow with you and not be in a constant state of reset. This is just one of the many unique homes we explore in Human Made Homes. If you love home tours that tell stories and dive into the why behind every choice, make sure to subscribe. New episodes drop 3 times a month, so don't miss out. You can also catch up on past episodes on my YouTube channel, Abra. I hope we can continue the conversation in the comments. I'm Abra, and this has been Human Made Homes. Together, let's continue to explore what it truly means to feel at home. Bye!